70 years. That's how long the Corvette has stayed true to its front engine layout. But then, everything changed. Chevy took a risk. They moved the engine to the middle and redefined what a Corvette could be. Nearly 500 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, and a starting price of just $70,000. If this car had a yellow badge with a little black horse in it, it would cost at least 5 times that. Today, the Corvette looks like a supercar, drives like a supercar, but is priced like a sports car. You can pick a used one up for as low as $50,000. But what's it actually like to own one? That's what we're here to find out. We're gonna meet a couple who've owned this C8 Corvette for the past 3 years and get the unfiltered truths. Does it deliver supercar thrills or just supercar repair bills?
Okay, what?
This is the long-term review of the C8 Corvette. So Caitlin and Jason, thank you so much for coming on the show. First question, so how much did you pay for the car and how long back did you buy it?
So we bought it in 2022.
Okay.
C8 Corvette. So I've had it for 3 years. We got it for MSRP.
Wow.
Yeah, 74,000.
How?
Yeah. Well, we still have to wait for on the list.
Okay.
So.
But you didn't have to pay the crazy high dealer markups?
No, you just put the deposit.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we found the dealer all the way in New Jersey. They were the second biggest Corvette.
Yeah, Atlantic
nice.
City.
We put our name on the list. They said it was about 6 to 8 months. And by the time you know it, they gave us a call. Let's submit your build. And then it was just a waiting game.
Nice.
Yeah. So September, and then we picked it up in July.
Wow. And so you guys have had it 3 years now?
Mm-hmm.
And so what made you pick a C8 Corvette?
I went to the Cars and Tacos car show.
Okay.
And I saw this exact spec, but 2021. The following day, we went to the dealership and I said, this is what I want.
Are you guys fans of all of the Corvette generations, or is there like something about the C8 that really sticks out to you?
It's something about the C8.
The C8?
Yeah, yeah. I feel like we're very big German engineering fans.
Okay.
So this is our first American car, or at least mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, as a kid, I always loved Corvettes. I had a yellow C4 Corvette.
Nice.
So, and then she said, I want to look into Corvettes. I was like, yeah, finally. So then, yeah, that's why we chose to go into the Corvette platform.
Perfect. And is it a 1LT, 2LT, or 3LT?
It's a 1LT.
Okay, perfect. And I think it has the Z71 or 51 package?
Yes,
yeah,
the Z51
package.
Okay, sweet. So what mods do you have on the car? I definitely see something going on with the aero. What else do you have on the car, and approximately how much did it cost?
So we've got the Paragon Performance Maxton Aero Kit going all the way around. That one is about $1,200. We got the 81 Flow Forged wheels. Again, they're 2120s. They're a lot wider and they fill up a little bit more of the gap within the wheel well. Those are about, say, $3,000.
Nice.
And then we've got a Top Speed Pro 1 exhaust. They're local here in Dallas.
Okay.
And it's just completely straight pipe from the Cats.
Oh, wow.
And that's about
Is it,
$2,000.
a little loud?
Yeah, that thing is loud. It screams.
Growls, yeah.
Yeah. And then the wrap. So I actually did the wrap myself.
Nice.
So it's a 3M gloss metallic wrap that matches the factory paint of a Corvette. So I did the hood, the roof, a little bit of the back glass, and then all the pinstriping to make it pop.
Nice. So you did the pinstriping?
Yeah, I did the pinstriping.
Oh, that's really cool. Definitely gives it a little accent to it, you know?
Absolutely, yeah.
And I see you have a radar detector. Does somebody speed when they drive?
You know, you'd like to be safe on spirited driving.
I mean, this car has got a built for it, right?
Absolutely.
So how reliable has the car been? Because that's the biggest problem with supercars / sports cars, right? It's the maintenance bills that go with it. How reliable has it been, and how much has it cost to maintain?
I think it's been super reliable. I don't really know the cost because he takes care of that.
Okay.
So, I mean, it's a Chevy at the end of the day. So,
Yeah.
I mean, oil changes, surprisingly for this car, is only $100.
That's it?
At the dealership.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Again, alignment might be a little bit more, say $250. And if you get a track alignment, it can be up to, say, $400.
Okay.
You haven't had to change the brakes or anything like that, so everything's still under factory warranty.
Okay, nice.
I mean, it's been very reliable. I mean, we've driven this car for almost over 20,000 miles, spiritedly, road trips, and there's no complaints about it. It's a great touring car.
You know, and that's the best part about the LS engine from Chevy is the reliability is there. You see plenty of Corvettes out there with 100,000 miles or, plus. Do you guys plan on keeping it that long?
I think so.
Nice. What about the overall build quality of the car? Because I know one of the criticisms was panel gaps and things like that with Chevys. Have you guys noticed any problems?
Yeah, I would say that's my top complaint is the gapping problems. I also don't like the shield. What is it called? The visor. It doesn't go all the way up.
Okay.
So I can't see straight all the time.
Yeah. You're kind of staring into the sun.
Yeah, there's a lot of blind spots too.
Yeah.
Yeah, the biggest thing is most common flaw is a lot of the Corvette headlights always have this gap.
Oh, really?
And that's very common. Like you don't have to look too hard, but when you really get into detail, that was one of the big things in the forums. Between any year, there was always a gap in this left headlight.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not really flush.
But it's not a deal breaker though, right?
No, it's not.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
You know?
It's kind of one of those things with American quality, right?
Absolutely.
It's good,
Yeah.
but there's Tesla. Well, American made. Let's just leave it at that, right? And is there a big Corvette community? Because there's quite a few of the C8s. I think almost 150,000 sold so far. So is there a big Corvette community?
Yeah, I would say there is. We connected with a lot of people through Instagram, like that syndicate. A lot of people that I just see on the street, they talk to me, and they're usually Corvette owners.
Nice.
And it's pretty cool how, say, the older generation are saying, well, there's much younger kids driving C8 Corvettes. We're getting into other platforms such as C5, C6s, or C7s. So we see a whole array of, say, younger kids, middle-aged, to even say the boomers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they'll eventually have the New Balances, the socks coming up,
the jorts,
but
socks.
we start off normal and embrace Corvette ownership later on, right?
And then at Corvette Warehouse, they have a car meet every month.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
you guys take the car there
at the first Saturday of the month. Yeah,
nice. Kind of switch.
Corvette World. Oh shit! Because there's two: Corvette World and Corvette Warehouse.
Yeah.
No way. Don't worry about it.
Again, someone will.
Someone will be like, she doesn't know what she's talking
exactly. About. And how practical is it? It is a mid-engine kind of borderline supercar at the end of the day.
I would say it's pretty practical. I mean, I would consider it still a grocery getter.
Okay.
This is the frunk.
And it's got another one.
And it has a second. Yep.
Wow. That's a decent amount of storage.
You can fit 4 Costco waters here.
Did you find that out by actually putting Costco waters?
Not me, him.
I did. You took this car to Costco?
Of course.
That's
awesome. I had to fill up gas and get some water.
I actually daily driven this for 6 months.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Through a tornado.
Floods. In downtown Dallas.
Snowstorm.
I think that's one of the best parts about the C8 Corvette is it has a mid-engine supercar level performance, but it's genuinely practical, right?
Yeah.
Like, how's the ride quality, for example?
I love it. It grabs.
Okay. Is it comfortable, but also kind of sporty?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's really comfortable. We always compare it to flying first class.
Nice. Does your car have the magnetic ride with the adjustable suspension?
No.
Okay.
That was not an option that time because it was back ordered.
Oh,
so we were trying to get mag ride.
Yeah.
But then it would be pushed out another 6-7 months.
Oh, wow.
They didn't know when it was going to be available.
Yeah.
So they're like, screw it. Just you don't need mag ride.
But it's still got coilovers and it's relatively comfortable, but it's still nice and sporty.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And the last thing about practicality is fuel economy. So it's strange how some of the older Corvettes can even get up to 30 mpg. How much have you noticed kind of daily driving it?
So around town, you can average, say, 18 miles per gallon as long as you're going the speed limit.
Which,
if spirit of driving, you're definitely going like 10 miles a gallon. But on highway, you can actually shut off 4 cylinders. So
Yes.
it'll go into V4 mode.
Okay.
That's where you can get, again, up to say 28 to 30 miles per gallon on a road trip. So it's pretty good on gas.
Yeah. Now the cylinder deactivation, is that something you can manually control, or is it automatically controlled by the
It's just
car?
automatically controlled by the computer.
Okay, because the Chevy Silverado with the 5.3 has the same cylinder deactivation, and there have been issues with it. I don't think the Corvettes have had that issue yet, and fingers crossed they never do.
Yeah, fingers crossed. I mean, this thing's been solid.
Yeah. So let's take it out for a spin and kind of find out more. And it's gonna be a little awkward if 3 of us try to fit in the car. So who wants to drive?
I want to drive.
No, I'm driving.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, okay.
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 2, 3.
Oh,
Let's go.
All right, let's go for a drive. And before we set off on the drive, if you're liking this video so far, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Let's hit it.
Let's go.
All right. So my first impression is I'm obviously drawn to the Great Wall of HVAC, as they call it.
Yeah.
So as a passenger, it's a little off-putting, but how does it feel as a driver? Because it's got that cockpit type of feel to it, right?
So like everything is just like driver focused. I
Yeah.
can feel all the buttons. It's the screen's tilted towards me if I need to put on any GPS.
Yeah.
So it's definitely driver oriented. So when you're definitely as a passenger, it just feels
I feel
like
kind of secluded, right?
yeah, exactly. And then if you were trying to change like your settings, it's kind of like you have to look on over to see the what your AC or changing the settings on that as well.
But hey, we're making this video for somebody looking to buy one, and they're going to be driving it, right? They don't necessarily care what the passenger experience is.
Mm-hmm.
So from a driver perspective, what do you love about the car?
I love how, again, it's a driver's car. Everything's all tailored to whether you're daily driving, spirited driving.
Okay.
And I just like how it's very easy to see out the window, or the windshield.
Yeah.
So it's a really fun car to drive daily.
For sure. And, I like that in fact, all of them can have the roof. It's removable, right?
Yeah.
So you guys take the roof off and kind of go open top?
Yeah, when it's not 100 degrees in Texas, this roof comes off and you can just stow it to the back.
Nice.
And that's like one of my favorite things is you can still see the engine and you can still have the top down.
Nice.
Versus the convertible, you can't see the engine, but it's pretty cool that you can open it up on the go whenever you like.
True.
But I feel like having the target top is like the best of both worlds.
For sure. So what are some of the things you hate about the car?
One of the things I hate are these blind spots. Like all these pillars, you can't see anything.
Yeah,
so it's more so of a guesstimation and just being a really good driver.
Okay.
I mean, there is blind spots that can alert you, but I mean, if your cars are flying by pretty quick, you can't truly rely on that.
Okay.
But that's probably the biggest thing with driving these Corvettes is you really have to move and check your mirrors to be safe.
And that's why the right-hand mirror, the stalk's actually a little longer.
Yes.
So you can actually be able to see out of it, which is a pretty cool piece of design.
Yeah.
But does the car have the electronic rear view mirror, or is that higher up in the, it's not available in the 1LT?
So it's not available in the 1LT
Okay.
previous to 2023.
Okay.
But yeah, this is just the regular mirror, so it's literally a raw car.
Any future plans for mods?
I'll probably do Sport Cats, and that's about it.
Nice.
Or Cat Deletes. I'll just make this thing, all the pops and crackles will be insane. Maybe a couple of years from now, maybe twin turbo it. I don't know. I mean, there's a lot I can do with this platform now because they finally unlocked the ECU.
Yeah. Okay, quick pull.
Yep.
Oh, we're gonna need to bleep that out. The acceleration is constant. It's amazing. Like it's got so much power and torque, 500 is not a high number, you know, as far as supercars go, but
yeah,
wow, it can deliver.
you can really feel that raw power once you get in there.
Nice. You got the back end loose. Oh, shit. Okay, what? That's insane. That is supercar level performance for the price of a sports car.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
It just puts a smile on your
know,
face
right?
when you just drive it.
Wow, that's a little kind of scary as a passenger, not gonna lie, but in a good way, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And you know, I do like the ride quality too, because we went over, you know, normal Dallas roads.
Mm-hmm.
It feels nice. It feels comfortable.
It's still comfortable, yeah. It doesn't feel like it's super stiff that when you hit a pothole or a bump that it's like, oh, my tailbone.
Yeah. That's criticism with a lot of the older, and you know, the ZR1, for example. That suspension is so stiff, but I like that this car delivers everything from a performance perspective, but it doesn't compromise.
Mm-hmm.
So I like that.
I agree.
Sweet, dude. That was fun, man.
Yeah. Gotta do it again.
Oh, shit. Oh my god, that was scary, dude.
Yeah. Like, as a passenger, like when Caitlin does it,
oh fuck,
I'm like, oh my god, I don't realize it, because when you're the driver, you're punching, driving, but when you're the passenger, it's like, oh my god moment.
Oh shit, dude.
Yeah.
Love it. All right. Does the car get a lot of attention? I know it's a Corvette, and there's 150,000 so far on the roads, but it's still a mid-engine car that looks like a supercar, right?
Yeah.
So does it get a lot of attention on the roads?
Absolutely. I mean, the car just looks menacing. It sits low. So again, to the average person, most people are just confused. What is that car?
Some kind of Ferrari.
A Ferrari? Is that a Lamborghini? Is that a Lotus? So, you know, Corvette has definitely expanded into their designs with their body lines and to make it a lot more sleek. There's the mid-engine setup.
Nice. So the last question for you, Jason, do you recommend buying one, and what buying advice do you have for someone looking for a C8 Corvette?
Oh, I definitely recommend buying a C8 Corvette. I mean, bang for the buck, performance, the looks of it, and affordability. I mean, these things now you can get around $65,000 to $70,000 for base spec, or even a higher 3LT in say a 22, 23, around the 80, 90s. But you're getting a quality car for the price compared to what these supercars are going for. Yeah. And now with the Z06s and ZR1s, those things are insane. Yeah. I can't wait to be in one of those. Yeah. So for buying advice, I'd definitely stay closer to a 2022 and higher. Again, 2021 and 2020 early models had some of these transmission issues. They would buckle. Sometimes the engines would go limp mode, and they had no idea. And you have like 5 miles on the right out of the factory. Wow. So that's just my advice. I would go more 2022 and higher, so that way these issues were addressed into those production years. Okay. So that's it for the C8 Corvette long-term review. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And we have access to a lot of cool cars here in Dallas. So if there's one you want us to review, let us know in the comments and we'll try to make it happen. Thanks for watching. Later.